It's like a dream come true for us that not only that we are competing again, but we have the honor of hosting this on our very own home turf.
Well, those are the sights and sounds here in the CCAA Championships inside Lakeland College. Let the madness begin. It's March. It's the top 8 teams across the country gathered here in Lloydminster, Alberta. By the Lions, and that a pretty, and she's had an excellent first half, to say the least.
It's legendary. Make 'em break. We ain't never backing down. We ain't never gonna stop. We gon' take it to the limit. We gon' take it.
The snow's melting, but folks, it's spring. It's raining threes here at Lakeland College Gymnasium. Perfection lives another day.
We ain't never gonna stop. To the very last second, till we're running out the clock. We ain't never.
Spotless record during the regular season and postseason. Put it on the line once again against champions from Quebec and the Champlain de Saint Lambert Cavaliers.
Second till we're running out the clock.
Summers and Olsen should have a combined 22 now.
We ain't never gonna stop. To the very last second, till we're running out the clock. We ain't never backing down. We ain't never gonna stop. We gon' take it to the limit. We gon' take it to the top. We ain't never giving up. We ain't never gonna stop. To the very last second, till we're running out the clock.
Lakeland, you may not be Cinderella, but the glass slipper fits just right, and it's gold. Rustlers Nation, you have your fairy tale ending. Perfection lives forever.